The Galaxy S27 Ultra is here, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Samsung has officially entered the future. With a new titanium frame, ultra-slim bezels, and a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, the S27 Ultra feels like holding a piece of sci-fi tech. Samsung has upgraded the camera system once again. A 250-megapixel main sensor, improved night mode, and 15 times optical zoom are just the beginning. Under the hood, the S27 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 2 terabytes of storage. Multitasking and gaming, effortless. Battery life, it's insane. A 6,000 mAh cell with intelligent power management gives you 2 full days on a single charge. And yes, the S Pen is still here, smarter, faster, and even supports air gestures with precision. Is it better than the iPhone 17 Pro Max? That's up for debate, but Samsung fans finally have their dream phone. Let us know in the comments, would you switch to the S27 Ultra or stay with your current device?